Bitches I hate, you can miss what you never had. Hey, hey. Up the juice. Shawty got me tripping. Hello everyone, today we're gonna play Pet Sitting. I think that's the name of the game for our second Spookfest game. Be wary, tonight there's gonna be a live stream. We're gonna play like 5 horror games at least. Anyway, let's play Pet Sitting. Is that supposed to be my dog? I don't even know, let's just start. Oh, pick up the phone, baby. Thanks for looking after dog this weekend. There's a to-do list on the fridge. Def say hi to dog first. He's been sulking lately. The Mal. I left ingredients around the kitchen when you want to make dinner. So, is that dog? Hello, dog. That's not my dog. Mm-mm-mm. This is not my dog. The hell? Make dinner. Give dog a bath. Put dog to bed. Sleep on couch. What do you mean sleep on couch? Okay. Don't move, dog. So how do I make dinner? Oh, that's how. Don't move, dog. I'm about to punch you. I swear to God, I'm about to punch you. You want food? Let me get you food. What up? Start cooking. Don't you see the fucking dog? So, first of all, that's not even a fucking dog. Like, what the fuck are you? A fucking sandworm? Are you fucking... Are you Jupiter? From One Piece? Hey, better not move. Better not move. Alright, wait, so, can I eat? Is that a date between me and dog? Okay, so it's nighttime almost. Or maybe you want to eat. What the? Okay. See, why do I gotta pick the weird games? Like, what the hell is that? See, this mother. Oh yeah, drown that bitch. Kill him. On God, kill him. Now, you like I bled from that. Kill him. Please kill him. Grab that and kill him. Brush dog. Look at him. He does not need brushing. Like, what are we doing? I hope I'm like paid a lot for that. Oh. Yeah, why not? I guess why not? That makes sense. Are you gonna fuck me up again? So I gotta put you to sleep? And I sleep on the couch? Hold on. Lock the door. Leave the house. Leave the house. Leave the fucking house. Now, leave the house. Yeah, I'm dead. Dog is gonna kill me. Need to close the curtain or something? Oh. Good night, dog. Good night. I'm dead. I'm freaking dead. I can't even run. Yeah, I'm dead. GG. Time to sleep. If I wake up and that motherfucker is eating me. Oh, he's still sleeping? What the? He's gonna jump at me. Jump scare. Jump scare. In 3, 2, 1. Who's calling me? Hi, how are things? How's dog? Am I everything okay? Not really. He's just having a nightmare, I think. Yeah. Dog just beat me earlier and it's tossing all over the bed right now. What should I do? Kill him. I swear to God, you better kill him. As soon as I leave, I'm dead. Oh, he's about to be in front of me. I hate those that sometimes. Don't worry, he's just having nightmares. He needs his sleep medicine. I think I have some in the kitchen. I'm dead. I'm dead. You want? Okay, can you sleep now? Are you gonna kill me? It can't fall asleep either. What do? Do I just knife him? Do you have a gun or something? Oh no, I can't fall asleep. Okay. Wait. Don't tell me you're gonna eat the fucking medicine. Don't do that. Don't eat them. Jump scare. He's gonna go like, "Rrr." Ow. Ow, my ears. Okay, that kind of hurt. Can you stop? What is you doing, dog? And what the fuck is that?
You're looking nice. I need your help. Please, I hate it here. I want to escape. Will you help me? I will need a few things from you. I need your food.
Mapong? No, you, hell no, you tripping.
I need my sleep medicine. Wait, did you eat some of my sleep medicine? What did you do that for?
I was kind of hungry.
I also need my shampoo and conditioner. Help me pack these items, and I'll leave in the morning. Also, I'm sorry for bothering you all day. Okay, see you in the morning.
Wait. So is dog a good dog or a bad dog? I don't. He's not even a dog. Why do we even call him dog? That shit is not a dog. That's like a. I don't know. That's like something from Helldivers. Okay, let's wake up. So I'm just helping him like flee his fucking country. You want something to eat maybe? You wanna maybe have breakfast or something? I don't know. I'll help you. I don't have wait, hold on. Wait for me, dog. Let me just grab some things. Oh wait, yeah, you did want it. You did want your medicine. Alright. I also need to borrow your phone. Sure, yeah, let's do that. What could go wrong? You want my soul also, maybe? I don't know. Oh. Bye, dog, I guess. I hope you'll do good. I'm going back to sleep. The owner is gonna kill me. Legit, okay, the owner is gonna kill me. Like, why? Okay. So now I'm dead. So dog was not the problem. Now, at least I don't think dog is the problem now. I think now the only like, I'm dead. I'm just dead. I should put those leftover in the fridge. Is dog gonna come back and kill me? How will I explain all? GG. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. What was that outside? I'm not going outside. I must be tripping. What should I do? What the? Huh? Dog. What is you doing? So you're telling me that's the game? That is the fucking game. I was ready to fight, dog. I guess we just made Doug leave. I guess Doug was like maybe abused or something. I don't know. I promise tonight we will play some real game. Cause I don't know what the fuck that was. Like honestly, I don't even. Roll the outro. I'm not. Yeah, I'm not even doing an outro. Matter of fact, just yeah. I'll see you tonight.